So where we can see. So once we will verify that how many length on that application homepage, like we have to already specify the 9 product on the homepage. After that we will log out. So here I'm just providing the locator of logout. So let me show you. This is the login. Let me provide the username and password, and check the logout. So you can see here logout. It's an anchor tag class, and I can see here the ID of that logout element. So this is logout to Control C, and we need to verify for that. Control F and just check it, one match. So that means this is a unique locator of this element. What we need to do, we will go on the line number 25, page.locator, and provide the logout locator here, that element locator, and after that click. So that means we will write here the .click function. That means we will come out on that home page, and this is the first page of that application. So, and it should be wait for 2000 millisecond. Once we have to done this part, again we will log in, provide the password and username, password, and then login. Because you can see after logout we are not able to log in on the another page. So we have to provide the username, password, and login. Once we will provide username and password, so we will navigate on the home page. Here we will click any product we will click and add to the cart. So suppose here we want to add to the cart, means to click add to this product into the cart. So inspect, and we are able to see this class, and this is the anchor tag, and there is no ID. So let me check. Control C. So this is a unique class. I think I have already written my own XPath. So this is the XPath. You can write your own XPath, and then click function we will use. As soon as we click on add to cart, this link or this link, this kind of video will appear, window will appear, and you will able to see that product added. So this kind of window we will see, and that means we want to add the product. Once we click OK, that means this product is add in our cart. So let me show you. So this is the add to cart. Click. So we have to provide the locator of this add to cart, and now click function. Once we will click, this kind of window will pop up, and we will add the product in our cart. So line number 36, you can see page.on. So we will use the dialog for this kind of window. Like this is a dialog box where we will able to see the message, right? So that dialog box will appear. So instead of writing the page picture, we will write here the dialog. So page.on, and this is a module name, this is async keyword, and you can see here we are writing here page picture. See, this is test because we are writing the test here, and here page.on means to dialog box or this window will appear. So page.on means this page is on, and this is a dialog box. So this dialog box will appear, and you will write the dialog. Means to, instead of writing the page picture, we will write the dialog. So exactly what we are doing it here, we are doing that whatever the product we want to add into the card, once we click on add to the card, the dialog box will appear and we will add the product into the card, right? So that means this must be done before clicking add to the card. So dialog box, here we need to understand what is a dialog box. Dialog, a browser alert, it's a browser alert, or we will use the confirm box or prompt. For example, here it is showing the product added, right? So product added, that means page.on dialog means listen for any browser dialog or alert that appear, and after that we will verify that expect method through dialog.message, because it's giving us message that product added. So that means we are using the assert here, or verify that this product is add in our cart or not. So assert or alert message contain product added, and await dot accept means once we click OK, that means we are accepting the product in our cart. Means wait dialog dot accept function, we are allowing or we are adding the product. So this test this is used for the test validation or alert text, or automatically close it. Okay, so after that you can see here click add to the cart button, means this is okay that we are adding the product into the cart. And here we will provide the locator of this OK. Okay, and this locator we are specifying here, and which should be wait for 2 seconds. And after that log out. Similarly, what we did here, like provide the username, password, click, and then verify that the text box is appear or visible. And after that, here line number 23, we will add the product and specify or verify the length of the product, like how many products on the home page, and after that log out. Similarly, here what we do, we are doing it, we are add the product into the card and click, and dialog box or dialog or alert box will appear, and they have some message which we need to verify with this expect function. So expect dialog.message function dot contain this message, product added, and we are accepting or we are okay, click on OK, that yes, this dialog or this product we are adding or going to add in our cart, right? And after that, what we need to do, once we click OK, we need to give the locator of the click, and once it will add into the cart, we need to wait for the 2 seconds, and after that log out, and after that it will log out. Okay, let me execute this code and see the output. Just open the new terminal. Sometimes it's not working. So npx playwright test and check the file name, test hyphen hooks dot spec.js space hyphen headed space hyphen project is equal to Chromium. And let's execute. It will executing, and you can see run 4. Okay, it is opening the, okay, this is not the right one. So I think I just I did not save it, so that's why it's showing the old one file. Let me save it. Whenever you will change any code in your script, or if you remove or add, you need to save every time, otherwise it won't show the latest one code, it will show only the previous one. So the same thing happened with me, that's why it's not working. Let's see. And now we can see there is one issue coming. Okay, I did not specify the purchase test. Why it's showing purchase test? Okay, let me figure it out what's going on. There is no purchase 53, line number 53. Okay, this is not closed, so that's why it's showing up. Okay, let me control. Why it's not? Terminated comment, unterminated comment. Or we can terminate this one line of code. Now we are able to go on this or terminate this. Let me, why it's showing up? Sometime we need to specify that what problem we are facing it, and if we are facing the same issue, we need to go line by line. So it was the glitch. You saw that there was a one red squiggly line was showing under this after this bracket. So how we can solve that issue? First you need to close your Visual Studio Code and open the Visual Studio Code, run as administrator, and it will ask that you want to change your device. Do you want to allow this app to change your device? Say yes. Means I want to open as administrator, and it's completely gone. So it was the glitch. So if you facing these kind of issue, you can resolve that issue with the same way through, like what I did. Just open the Visual Studio Code in a administrator, run as an administrator way, and it will completely gone right now. So let me run my code and provide the terminal command. This terminal I will provide the command and run, and now you can see one test running, one test, and it's very fast. And okay, so test is passed. So one more time I want to show you. It will open the application, just provide the username, password, login, and it will show on the top of the application the username, that welcome and username, and then add the product into the cart and then log out. So it's run so fast, but you will able to understand. And now you can see, open, provide this login, you can see the user login, and it will log out. So it took 7.9 seconds and test is passed. If you want to see the report, you can provide this command, this Control C in the terminal, and you will able to see check the report. And now you can see here, because I run only one browser, which is Chromium browser, and it's passed, all passed, nothing is failed. You can click on this homepage test, like test -hooks spec.js, and you will able to see that this is the steps. If you want to check any, you can see all the check with the green color. That means all the all the steps are passed, and you will able to see if you want to expand that each. I'm just randomly open it. You can open one by one if you want, and everything is, and you can see here the execution duration time, like how many milliseconds it took time to execute each steps, that it will show here, and you will able to know that how long it took time to each steps. So in this way you can go with the without hooks. Now I will explain you if you go with the hooks, like if you follow the hooks concept, and how you will able to log in and add the product into the cart, and how you can log out. So basically I have already explained you, the hooks will execute once, like we don't go and again open the browser, like user and password, and click on the login button. We need to it will execute every test, before test and after the test. Suppose if we go and add the product, and it will add the product into your cart, it will log out.